Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Hope all of you are fine. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and be a part of beautiful and great journey of learning. Today we will discuss the questions about spreadsheets. These questions are available in textbook known as Write by 1, chapter number 8, exercise. It's video part 2. You can check the video part 1 co- containing first 3 questions regarding spreadsheet. Today we will start from question number 4, and the question is, what are the two types of text that can be entered in a spreadsheet? The answer is the two types of text that can be entered in a spreadsheet are: number one, labels or text. Labels include data in the form of letters, numbers, for example, name, text, and C2. These are labels or text. Number two is values or numbers. Values include numbers, symbols, for example, 1, 2, 3, and strike. Question number 5 is, name 3 type of documents for which you would use a spreadsheet instead of a Word document. The answer is point number 1, mark sheet. Point number 2, monthly bill. Point number 3, price list. You would use a spreadsheet instead of Word document for these 3 points, 3 type of documents. That's all for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update about our new learning videos. Some other video re- regarding spreadsheet will be discussed in the next video. Until then, take care, enjoy learning and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.